Hey guys, Esty here and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we went a little bit more crazy and the theme of today is using old products that are not expired, but products that have been gathering dust, that haven't been getting any love from me, and to see if there's a hidden gem in there that I'm gonna be using on rotation. So if you guys wanna find out if I found a hidden gem or if I'm just gonna say goodbye to those products, please keep on watching. I never used this and it cost me so much, but I'm literally almost out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that, warm it up in my fingers. This is not super old, but I don't use it often, so I'm actually going to be placing it all over my face today as a glowy product. And see if I like the results. We're now gonna mix the multi-purpose dry oil called Nux with my MAC Face and Body. I'm gonna work it in my brush. This is a technique that I learned from the makeup artist I did my makeup at my wedding. Before I set my face, I'm gonna go with blush. I'm gonna use Haze by Glossier. I've actually never used the Glossy Cloud Paint. I received this one as a kit when I ordered my boy brow and mascara. So I started with this blush before my eyeshadow because I want to know what kind of colors it's gonna give so that whatever eyeshadow I put afterwards is gonna go well with my blush. Since I am using a powdered bronzer today, I am gonna set my face in areas that I know I won't be putting any more cream. It feels so weird to not use any more cream products, but I'm just trying something different. Kind of going back to products I no longer use that much and see how I feel about them now. With that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take my gigantic Tantric, is it Tantric? Yeah, Tantric Omega Bronze. I'm gonna create a 3 shape on my face. So right here, right underneath my cheeks, and around my jawline. I'm gonna go little by little. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off screen and I will be right back. So I decided that I'm gonna use the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette today because I was so excited when this came out and I hardly used it. I don't know why. I don't know. There's just part of me that's just not as crazy into it as I thought I was gonna be, but I want to give it some love today. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in for you to get the full experience. All right, so my eye is primed and set, and I'm gonna go ahead and take Soothe Matte brush, and I'm just gonna go in my crease really lightly, focusing more on the exterior. Camera's struggling. And then when I have almost no product left, that's when I'm gonna bring it in towards my eyebrow. I'm gonna go back to using that same brush from the beginning, and I'm gonna take Aura in this sequin and lightly wash it over my eye, everywhere. And while it's open, I'm gonna kind of create that wing effect, soft wing. And when I have less product on, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush along my lower lash line. And I don't care if it's not precise, I didn't apply my concealer yet. I'm now taking Aura Metallic with my finger in the center of my mobile lid, and afterwards I'm just taking my flat brush again with the Poet Matte shade to just blend that in together. the help of a pencil brush, I took Ritual Matte to just intensify my lower lash line and also on my upper lash line towards my outer V. I think I could make a whole video on blending, but I do keep blending for a long time. But what I realized is that the eyeshadow was starting to skip on my inner corner. So I went with my first fluffy brush and I just blended it out using the Matte Aura. Using a flat brush, I added a little bit more Ritual to really deepen that outer V and to wing out my liner just a little bit more. So I really concentrate on making it super sharp. Alright, so we're experimenting with some glitter glue. This is the first time I've used glitter glue. And then I'm going to take the Aura and Soothe glitter together and just, you know, experiment. So you can see there's like a little bit of fallout already on my eyes. And for the inner corner, what I used is a pencil brush and I just added Aura Metallic. So I haven't used this one for my under eyes in a long time, but we're gonna try it today since might as well. And also, I had to redo my whole face makeup because the glitter went everywhere. So I did apply my mascara. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ambient lighting from Hourglass and I'm mixing the two lightest shades together on my setting brush and I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of my face. Alright, so we're gonna really go with the oldies. I'm gonna take my Coquette Blush Duo from, this is Jouer. I'm just gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I think that looks better. For lips, I'm gonna take a tried and true something that I always forget about but that I love, and that's the Pillow Talk lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Definitely something that I don't usually reach for. I want to just have fun today and use things that I haven't used in a really long time. What I have to say is that I did miss using my Nude Stick concealer and that combo of the dry oil with my foundation. That's something that I'm gonna pull for a little bit more. The only thing I'm gonna say is I might be getting rid of my bronzer just because I'm just not a bronzer powdered person anymore and I'm forcing myself to use it. And yeah, so I encourage you guys to go into your collection and try things that you haven't used in a really long time and let me know, did you find some gems? Did they conclude that there's some things you don't want to use anymore? And if you do, please let me know down below and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That would really help my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.